The Handel theme of the classical Showdown is such a beautiful piece, and it teaches some great technique and theory. Let's jump into it. Notice that this is split into two parts. The right hand only, and then you have the left hand and the right hand combined. Let's first take a look at the right hand only. Notice there are three scales stepping down. This one starts on C, this one starts on B, this one starts on A, and then we have this last little phrase that starts on G sharp. All right, let's take a look at the scales and see how they work. The first thing you want to know is the three notes here. This is a C, this is a B, and this is an A. These are your starting notes to the scale. So the first scale walks down on C. The second one starts on B. The third one starts on A. And then we finish with this phrase starting on the middle black note. Let's look a little closer at those scales. Notice it's just set into a group of 5 and then a group of 3. The next one was also 5, then 3, 5, and 3. And then you finish with the third finger on the G sharp. Now let's take a look at the left hand and the right hand combined. This one is a little more tricky, and I always teach this one first with just 2 fingers. So we'll first start with the left hand starting on C and the right hand starting on C. We'll then move to the B's and then the A's. So starting on C, your left hand first, you play the C and then the C. Come up to meet it and just walk down the scale with your left hand. Keep walking down until you get to the B. When you hit the B, the right hand moves to the B. The left hand comes up to meet the right hand and walks down the scale. You'll keep walking down that scale until you hit the A. When you hit the A, the right hand moves to the A. The left hand comes up to meet it, keeps walking down the scale. When you get to the black note, you'll put your third finger on it, and the right hand will also do the third finger. Step up a finger, back down a finger, down a finger, up a finger, and finish on the A 3 times. Let's do that again a little faster. Start on the C and walk down. When you get to the B, switch to the B in the right hand, walk down. When you get to the A, the right hand switches to A, come up and meet it, continue walking down. When you get to the black notes, both middle fingers start up, down, and finish on A. All right, then you put those 2 sections together and you have the Handel theme done in the classical Showdown. We will show you the Mozart theme and the Beethoven theme a little later.